to take advantage of it when it snows. Race mode. You cannot use this car in any other mode on hills in snow like this. Never happen. You just won't be able to get going. Woo! Looks like the road definitely got a plow pass, but it's all iced up. Woo! Oh man, it's fucking slick. I'm stuck. Oh. Oh shit. Service engine. Service transmission. This car's definitely stuck, and all the fault codes popped up on the dash, so I just called Alfa Romeo service. We're gonna try to get this thing flatbedded, and I will keep you guys informed as far as what's going on. The snow is just too deep. So that's it, guys. I'll keep you guys posted, usually on maybe the YouTube community or my IG feed. I'll let you guys know what's going on with the car, but I think it's gonna fix itself. I mean, like I said, I've owned the car for almost 3 years, and what I think is happening is it's just overdoing it with the RPM line. Also, my fuel is pretty much empty. That's probably gonna be another problem with the fuel pressure regulator, but it's like freaking damn blizzard in New York. You can see the car's trying to dig itself a hole with the Michelin Pilot Alpines, but the problem is the ground clearance. You can see it there. There's just no ground clearance. There's just too much snow right now, and it's coming down too heavy that no matter what I do, I can't even get this car to move. So all right, guys, so it's the next day, and the car, like I said, fixed itself. Here's the situation. I disconnected the battery in the back. It's got a little quick disconnect right back here. All right, so you pull that little pin. So I left the battery disconnected for about 24 hours. I started the car up, it started up, it didn't stall, and the only fault that was on the dash was service electronic throttle, check engine, and service the suspension. So the car was bone dry. There was no gas in it, and we scanned it out, and of course there was a low pressure warning from the fuel pressure sensor somewhere on the injection rail. So I got to get that fixed, because if you guys watched my 2-year video over the summer when I was beating on the car and there was no gas in it, the car went into limp mode, and the same exact thing happened. So it happened in very high temperature, and it happened in very freezing winter temperatures. So you got to have gas in the car, especially if you're in race mode and you're driving this car hard. It just doesn't like it, okay? So FYI. Now, I got to make an appointment with the dealer. I got to get that thing replaced. I know there is a TSB out to replace that. Now I think is going to time, now that this happened more than once, I'm going to get the car to the dealer ASAP as soon as the winter storm clears up. You can see it right now. It's snowing again the next day. But like I said, if this ever happens to you, definitely double check if you got fuel in the tank. Refuel the car if you can get it to the fuel station. Do a battery disconnect. Hopefully it'll reset itself so you can drive the car until you can get it over to the dealership. So thanks again for watching this video. Stay tuned for more content. I got to get back in. It's cold as hell. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.